You cleared your cookies. You opened incognito. You think you are invisible. You are not. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly why and what you can actually do about it. This is browser fingerprinting. Most people have never heard of it. And it is the reason that clearing cookies does almost nothing to protect your privacy. Number 1. What browser fingerprinting actually is. When you visit a website, your browser automatically shares a large amount of technical information. Not because you clicked anything, not because you accepted cookies. Just by connecting, your browser tells the site your screen resolution, your operating system, your browser version, your installed fonts, your time zone, your language, your graphics card model, and your audio hardware behavior. Individually, none of these details identify you. But combined, they create a fingerprint that is unique to you in more than 99% of cases. Studies confirm this. You are not hiding in a crowd. You are the only person with your exact combination of settings. Number 2. Why your cookie habits do not help. Cookies are files stored on your device. When you clear them, the files are gone. That is why people think clearing cookies fixes the problem. But browser fingerprinting does not use stored files. The script runs when you load the page, reads your browser as it exists right now, creates a snapshot, and that snapshot is your identifier. Nothing is left on your device. There is nothing to delete. You can clear every cookie you own. You can open a fresh incognito window. You can use a different browser profile. If your screen size, fonts, time zone, and hardware are the same, and they almost always are, your fingerprint is identical. The site recognizes you the instant the page loads. Number 3. What actually gets collected? Let me walk you through what a fingerprinting script reads in the background while your page is loading normally. It reads your screen width, height, and color depth. It reads your exact browser build number. It reads every font installed on your system by rendering invisible text and measuring the result. It reads your time zone and preferred language. It calls your graphics processing unit by rendering an invisible shape on a hidden canvas element and measuring the exact pixel output, which differs between GPU models. It plays a silent audio tone and measures how your system processes it. You see none of this. The page behaves normally. Your browser just answered 30 or 40 questions you did not know you were being asked. Number 4. Who is doing this and why? Advertising networks use fingerprinting to track you across sites you have never logged into. You visit a shoe website once, and for the next 3 weeks, you see shoe ads everywhere, even in private mode, even after clearing cookies, even on a different browser. Data brokers use fingerprinting to build long-term profiles of browsing behavior. They link your sessions across months without a single cookie. Publishers use it to detect users who block ads, so they can show a paywall to anyone whose fingerprint matches a known ad blocker user. Fraud detection systems use it to monitor accounts. This is the legitimate side of the technology, but the same methods are used for advertising and behavioral profiling. Number 5. What you can actually do about it. There is no perfect solution, but there are steps that make a real difference. First, change your browser. Firefox with strict tracking protection randomizes some fingerprint attributes. Tor browser normalizes your fingerprint so it matches millions of other Tor users, making you much harder to single out. Second, add a fingerprint-aware extension. Canvas Blocker interferes with the Canvas API calls that most fingerprinting scripts depend on. This breaks a key part of the fingerprint without breaking most websites. Third, use a VPN with built-in tracker blocking. Surfshark includes a feature called Clean Web that blocks fingerprinting scripts and trackers before they even load in your browser. Instead of trying to answer the questions differently, Clean Web stops the script from asking in the first place. It works on all your devices, laptop, phone, tablet with a single subscription. The combination of a hardened browser, a blocking extension, and Surfshark running in the background is meaningfully stronger than anything you can achieve by clearing cookies alone. Number 6. The honest summary. Cookies are one type of tracking. Clearing them is a good habit, but it only addresses one layer of a multi-layer problem. Browser fingerprinting is a different layer entirely. It is invisible, persistent, and completely unaffected by the steps that most privacy guides recommend. If you are serious about reducing how much companies know about your browsing behavior, you need tools designed for this specific threat. Surfshark blocks fingerprinting scripts and trackers across all your devices. The link is in the description. Get started today and actually close the gap that clearing cookies leaves open. If this was useful, subscribe for more privacy guides every week. I will see you in the next one. https://snipstack.io/yt/browser-fingerprinting-deep